Next, we would go to our office. The first office is our production office. We have over 40 management team for production management. And then on the left is our domestic sales department. And for domestic market, we have our own brand, WELLAND. And this is our meeting room. And this is our purchasing department. And these are our export sales office. We now have 15 sales members. And most of our sales has over 5 years experience of shelving business. So if you have any inquiry about shelving products, please feel free to contact us. And now we have go to the upstairs. Today we have another product introduction. The first room is the jean room. And this is our boss office. And this is our big meeting room. And this is our sample room. Today we have a product lab show in this sample room. And this show is mainly to introduce you our. These are our sample for commercial display use. And today we mainly introduce our sport product for home storage use. And these are our home storage sample.